Good day everyone, this is Mark TV at ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay interior and exterior angles of a polygon. So, i-recall muna natin kung ano ang polygon. Simulan na natin. Okay, so i-define muna natin kung ano yung polygon, no? Polygon is a closed figure that is the union of non-intersecting, non-collinear line segments meeting at their endpoints. So, ito yung example ng polygon. At ang polygon na ito ay pentagon kasi meron itong 5 sides. Okay, so i-label muna natin yung parts ng polygon. So, we have vertices, diba? Kung saan yan yung points na nasa corner ng polygon. So ito yung isa sa mga vertices ng polygon. Let's say this is point P. Okay? So other vertices are point O, point L, point Y, and point G. Next naman is yung sides. Sila yung line segments na bumubuo sa polygon. So itong line segment na ito ay ang tinatawag na sides. So yung 5 sides ng polygon na ito ay may pangalan, no? So itong segment na ito ay segment PO, segment OL, segment LY, segment YG, at saka segment GP. So sila yung sides ng polygon. And then sa angles naman po, no? Ito yung angle na binubuo ng dalawang consecutive sides ng polygon. So for example, itong side na ito, tapos yung side na ito ay consecutive sides. Kaya nakakabuo sila ng angle ng polygon. Okay, so this is the angle of the polygon, one of the angles. Okay, so ang pangalan ng angle na ito ay angle L. Yung iba pang angles ng polygon ay angle Y, angle G, angle P, and angle O. Ayan. So, sila yung angles ng polygon. Ngayon, magdodraw tayo ng segment whose endpoints are not consecutive. So, yung pares na point P at saka point Y, ayan, sila ay hindi sunod-sunod or consecutive. Kaya kung idodraw natin yung segment na nagdurugtong sa dalawa, itong segment na ito ay tinatawag na diagonal. So, yung diagonal po ay isang segment na kung saan yung endpoints ay non-consecutive vertices ng polygon. Okay, so tandaan po natin ang mga parts ng polygon. Okay, so dito kasi hindi sapat ang alam mo kung paano mag-compute. Alam mo kung ano ang definition ng bawat terms. Okay? Okay, dito sa video na ito is magfo-focus tayo sa angles ng polygon. So, yung dalawang uri ng angles ng polygon ay interior angles at saka exterior angles. Okay? So, yung angles na binubuo ng sides ng polygon, so this angle, 'di ba? For example, this angle, ang tawag dito ay interior angles. So, ito yung definition ng interior angles. Interior angles are angles formed by consecutive sides of a polygon. So, ibig sabihin, kapag yung dalawang sides ay magkasunod, 'di ba? Yung angles na nabubuo by sides ng polygon ay tinatawag na interior angles. So, alam mo naman siguro ang pagkakaintindi mo sa salitang interior. 'Di ba? Pag interior, saan siya? Sa loob, 'di ba? Kaya tinawag siyang interior angles. So sila yung angles na nasa loob ng polygon. So aside from this angle, we have this one, this one, this one, and this one. So sila yung interior angles ng polygon. Okay? Since nasa loob sila. Ngayon, kukuha tayo ng isang side ng polygon at i-extend natin sa isang direction. So, let's say itong side na ito. Okay? So, i-extend natin ito so that makakabuo tayo ng angle na nasa labas. So, itong angle na ito, ay itong side ng angle na ito, at itong side ng angle na ito, so yung angle na nabuo ng dalawang ito ay tinatawag na exterior angles. Okay? So this is the definition of exterior angles. Exterior angles are angles formed by one side and the extension of its consecutive side of a polygon. So dito muna tayo sa dalawang sides ng polygon, no? Two consecutive sides. And yung isa sa kanila ay i-extend sa labas so that makabuo tayo ng angle na binubuo ng isa sa mga sides ng polygon. Ito yon. Tapos yung itong side naman is yung extension ng consecutive side ng polygon. Okay, so ang tawag dito ay exterior angles. Okay, well, kung ito naman ang i-extend so that makakabuo tayo ng angle na ang itsura ay ganito. So ang tawag dito ay exterior angles. Okay, so hindi lang basta yung exterior angle nasa labas lang kaya exterior, 'di ba? Yung interior nasa loob. Dapat yung isa sa mga sides ng exterior angle ay side ng polygon. Okay? Kaya hindi mo pwedeng sabihin itong angle na ito ay exterior angle. Kasi ni isa sa mga sides ng angle na ito ay hindi sides ng polygon. Kaya hindi mo pwedeng tawagin exterior angles. This angle and this angle. Yan po yung exterior angles ng polygon. Okay. So alam nyo na kung anong ibig sabihin ng interior at saka exterior angles. Ang interior angles po ay nasa loob, while ang angle na nasa labas, na nasa tabi ng polygon ay exterior angles. Okay? Okay, so let us discover, no, kung ano ang magiging sum ng measurements ng lahat ng interior angles ng polygon, na kung saan yung given natin is na-discuss natin tungkol sa triangle. Yung sum ng angles, yung angles na sinasabi ko noon ay actually interior angles ng polygon, no? So yung sum ng tatlong interior angles ng triangle is 180. Kung ito nga yun, ano ang magiging measure, no, total measure ng lahat ng interior angles ng iba pang polygons? So mag-discover tayo, no? So yung number of sides muna tayo, no? Number of sides. So ito triangle siya, so 3 sides. Ito square siya, so 4 sides. Pentagon ito, so 5 sides. Hexagon, 6 sides. Ayan. Ngayon, hahatiin natin yung polygon kung saan magdodraw tayo ng diagonal mula sa isang vertex ng polygon. So dito sa triangle, okay, may mahati ba tayo? May madodraw ba tayong diagonal dito? Wala, 'di ba? So wala tayong madodraw na diagonal mula sa isang point man lang, 'di ba? Wala eh. Yan lang talaga, walang diagonal lang triangle. Tandaan po natin, ha? Wala siyang diagonal. Pero dito sa quadrilateral or square, mayroong diagonal. This one and this one. Kaya lang, sabi nga, is magdodraw tayo ng diagonal mula sa isang vertex ng polygon. So, mula dito, magdodraw tayo ng diagonal. So, there is only one diagonal from this vertex ang posibleng madraw. So, anong nangyari sa polygon? Nahati siya into 2 triangles. Okay? So, lagyan natin ng number of triangles. Dito, walang diagonal, so isang triangle lang siya. Okay? Pero dito naman, dahil sa diagonal na ito, nahati siya into 2 triangles. Now, hatiin natin itong pentagon na ito, no, using the same manner na idodraw natin yung diagonal mula sa isang vertex ng polygon. So, let's say mula rito, dalawa ang posibleng diagonals na madodraw natin mula sa isang vertex. This one and this one. Kaya ang resulta, meron tayong tatlong triangles. Okay? And then para naman sa hexagon, hatiin natin, no? Mag-draw tayo ng diagonals mula sa isang vertex. So, we have 1, 2, and 3 diagonals. So, ang resulta is naging 4 na triangles na siya. So, ano ang nakikita nating pattern dito? So, as you can see, yung number of sides, tapos sa number of triangles, tingnan nyo, 3, naging 1 na siya. Tapos yung 4, pag 4 sides siya, meron itong dalawang triangles na nahati. Kapag 5 sides siya, 3 ang triangles ang mahahati. Kapag 6 naman, 4 na triangles ang mahahati. So, yung pattern dito guys is, yung number of triangles is 2 less than the number of sides. So, 3, kung isusubtract natin sa 2, ayan yung number of triangles. Okay? So, yung 4, ima-minus natin sa 2, ayan yung magiging number of triangles kapag nahati. 2. Yung 5, i-minus natin sa 2, magiging 3 na siya, which is true, di ba? The same way with this one, 6 minus 2 equals 4. So, kung ang polygon ay may n sides, bali ang number of triangles is n minus 2. Kasi, yung number of triangles, no, mula dito is 2 less than the number of sides ng isang polygon. So, in general, kung yung number of sides is n, bali, ang number of triangles dito ay n minus 2. Ngayon, kukunin naman natin yung sum of angle measurement. Okay? Yan. Sum of angle measure. So, we know that the sum of interior angles of a triangle na na-discuss natin sa previous video is 180 degrees. Okay? Ngayon, papaano naman natin hanapin yung angle sum ng iba pang polygons? So, di ba kung makikita natin itong quadrilateral, no, nahati siya into 2 triangles, and each triangle, yung angle sum nila is 180 degrees. Dahil meron tayong dalawang triangles dito sa quadrilateral na ito, bali ang kukunin natin is yung sum ng lahat ng angles ng dalawang triangles, which are 180 plus another 180. That is equal to 360 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Kasi nahati ito sa dalawang triangles. And each triangle, yung angle sum nila is 180. So, quadrilateral, 360. Okay? Paano naman kaya sa pentagon? Ano ba ang angle sum nila? So, meron tayong tatlong triangles, and each triangle, yung angle sum nun is 180. So, kung tatlong triangles yan, bali 180 plus 180 plus 180. Bali 180 times 3 na yan agad. And that is equal to 540 degrees. Ayan. Dito naman, 4 na angles, so 4 na 180 ang i-add natin. So, 180 times 4 is 720 degrees. And so on and so forth. So, in conclusion, to get the sum of the measurements of interior angles of a polygon with n sides, so, kunin mo lang yung number of triangles and then i-times mo siya sa 180. And we have 180 multiplied by n minus 2. Kung saan yung n po is the number of sides. So, ayan yung formula sa paghahanap ng angle sum ng interior angles ng polygon. Okay, angle sum of a polygon. So, ito yung general formula sa paghahanap ng angle sum ng isang polygon. So, 180 multiplied by n minus 2, where n is the number of sides. Okay? So, magbibigay tayo ng example dyan. Okay, so examples muna tayo, no? So, solve for the value of x. So, sa number 1, this figure is a quadrilateral. Okay, kung saan tatlo sa mga angles nito ay may exact measurement. Tapos, ang hanapin natin is yung ikaapat na angle whose measure is x degrees. Okay, so ang first step natin dyan is to determine the sum of all angles ng polygon. Okay, so lahat ng interior angles ng polygons, kailangan hanapin mo muna yung sum nila. So gagamit tayo ng formula na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, which is 180, no, yung angle sum pala nila, no, is equivalent to 180 multiplied by n minus 2. Since n is the number of sides, so the number of sides of this polygon is 4. So, i-substitute natin yung 4 sa formula so that we have 180 multiplied by 4 minus 2. And simplify natin. So, 4 minus 2 is 2. Then, multiply by 180 gives us 360 degrees. So, the sum of the interior angles of this polygon should be 360 degrees. And, para sa second step naman po is isosolve natin for x by adding all these 4. No? I-add natin tong apat na ito and then ito total dapat natin sa 360 degrees. Bali makakabuo tayo ng equation kagaya nito. 110 plus 85 plus x plus 70 equals 360 degrees. Kumbaga, yung x po is kulang na measurement para makabuo ng measure na 360 degrees. Okay? So, simplify natin ito, no, para ma-solve natin yung equation. So, i-add natin tong tatlong numbers. 110 plus 85, 195 plus 70, 265. Ayan. So, x plus 265 equals 360. And then, transpose, we have x is equal to 360 minus 265. That is equal to 95. Ayan. So, ang x po natin is 95. So, the measure of this angle should be 95 degrees. So, ganyan po ang pag-solve ng missing angle ng polygon. Next, number 2. So, ang figure po natin is pentagon. Kasi meron itong 5 sides. So, that's the number of angles. No? 5 angles din. Kaya lang, tatlo sa mga angles ay may exact measurement na. So, ang kulang is dalawang angles whose measure is x degrees each. Okay? So, kunin muna natin yung sum ng interior angles ng polygon. Okay? So, syempre, gagamit muna tayo ng formula. So, ang step 1 po natin is angle sum muna. No? Bale, ang formula nun is 180 times n minus 2. But this time, yung number of sides dito ay 5. So, palitan natin yung n ng 5. 180 multiplied by 5 minus 2. So, simplify natin. 5 minus 2 is 3. Then, multiply natin sa 180. Magiging 540 na siya. So, yung total measurement ng lahat ng angles na ito ay 540 degrees. Ngayon, para sa step 2 naman is magpo-form tayo ng equation out of these angle measurements. Okay? So, we have 75 plus 130 plus x plus another x plus 125. That is equal to 540 degrees. So, ayan po yung total sum. Total na sum pa. Yan yung sum ng interior angles ng pentagon, which is 540 degrees. Okay, galing siya dito. Ngayon, isolve natin for x. So, combine muna natin yung like terms. Diba? So, x plus x is 2x. And 75 plus 130 plus 125, 330. Ayan, diba? Tama? 200 na to plus 130 is 330. Equals 540. Okay? So, para mas madali, isubtract na lang natin yung 330 both sides. So, minus 330. Para mas madali na tayo, no? Kaysa magta-transpose pa. Okay. So, matira na lang is 2x equals 540 minus 300 is 240. And then, 330 pala. Ayan, so 540 minus 330 is 210. And then, finally, divided by 2 both sides, x is equal to 105. So, the measure of each angle is 105 degrees. Okay, so, this one and this one. Tig 105 degrees each sila. Ayan. Next, number 3. This one is hexagon. And guess what? Lahat ng angles ay x degrees each. So, kukunin natin yung value of x at once na nakuha natin yung value of x, yun ang magiging sukat ng bawat angle. Kasi lahat ng angles ay x degrees each. Okay? So, kunin muna natin yung angle sum ng hexagon na ito. So, of course, hexagon has 6 sides. No? So, formula muna tayo. 180 times n minus 2. So, the number of sides is 6. So, palitan natin yung n ng 6. Okay? 6 minus 2, and then times 180. So, 180 times 4. Kasi 6 minus 2 is 4. That is equal to 720 degrees. Ayan yung angle sum ng hexagon. Okay? Yung interior angles niya. Next, for the second step, i-add natin lahat ng angles na puro x, no? And ito total natin sa 720 degrees. So, 6 na x na agad yan, 'di ba? Kasi x plus x plus x plus x plus x plus x. 6 na x yan, which is 6x. 6x equals 720. I-divide natin sa 6. So, x is equal to 120 degrees. So, the measure of each angle should be 120 degrees each. Ayan. It applies to all polygons, no? Na kapag lahat sila ay congruent, you just divide the angle sum by the number of sides of a polygon. So, in general po, for any regular polygon, no? Once na nahanap mo na yung angle sum, i-divide mo sa number of sides ng polygon. So, kung ang formula natin para sa angle sum, no, ay 180 multiply by n minus 2, 'di ba? I-divide mo lang sa n. So, ang magiging resulta nun is the measure of an interior angle of a regular polygon. So, may isa na naman tayong formula na galing sa angle sum, no? I-divide mo lang sa n and yun ang magiging sukat ng bawat interior angle ng regular polygon na kagaya nito. Okay? So, tandaan po natin at ang formula ay 180 times n minus 2 divided by n. Okay? Para sa bawat interior angle ng polygon. Okay, so balikan muna natin yung interior angle at saka exterior angle ng polygon. So this is an interior angle na binubuo ng dalawang consecutive sides ng polygon, and this is the exterior angle na binubuo ng isang side at saka extension ng consecutive side ng polygon. Okay, kung mapapansin natin, kapag pinagdikit natin yung interior angle at saka exterior angle, no, ang magiging labas doon is linear pair. Mapapansin natin yung isang side ng angle ay nakabuo ng straight line, and yung sukat ng straight line is 180 degrees. Straight angle yan, no? Ibig kong sabihin. So, ibig sabihin, yung interior angle at saka yung exterior angle, no, kapag pinagtabi mo sila, magiging linear pair sila. And it follows na silang dalawa ay supplementary. So, yung sum ng interior angle at saka exterior angle ay 180 degrees. Okay? So, the interior angle and the adjacent exterior angle, adjacent sila, di ba? Form a linear pair, thus they are supplementary. Kasi nga, linear pairs are supplementary, di ba? So, the measure of an interior angle plus the measure of an exterior angle is 180 degrees. So, nakuha natin yung total measure ng lahat ng interior angles ng polygon. So, papaano naman sa exterior? Ano ba ang magiging total measurement nila around all vertices ng polygon? So, magsimula tayo sa sum of interior angles which is 180 times n minus 2. Okay? Ngayon, kapag pinag-add natin yung measure ng interior angle at saka yung adjacent exterior angle nila, ang result is 180 degrees. But for one vertex only. 'Di ba? Kasi dito sa exterior angle, dalawang posibleng exterior angle sa bawat vertex. This one and this one. So focus muna tayo sa isang exterior angle sa bawat vertex. Okay? So yung sum ng interior tsaka exterior is 180 degrees. And mumultiply natin yan sa number of vertices ng polygon. So 180n. Yung 180 kasi is yung sum ng interior at saka exterior angle ng polygon. 'Di ba? And then yung n is multiply natin sa number of vertices ng polygon. So to get the measure of all exterior angles, one exterior angle per vertex, isubtract natin yung 180n sa 180 times n minus 2, which is the sum of all interior angles. So para makuha natin yung total measurement ng exterior angle, one exterior angle for each vertex, we use the fact that the sum of all interior angles plus the sum of all exterior angles is equal to 180 times n. Ayan. So, it is given na yung lahat ng interior angles ay 180 multiplied by n minus 2. At with this, isusubtract natin yung 180n sa expression na ito para makuha natin yung total measure ng lahat ng exterior angles. So, all exterior angles, ayan, equals 180n minus 180 multiplied by n minus 2. Ayan. And then, saka natin isimplify itong expression na ito. So, 180n minus i-distribute yung negative 180 sa dalawang terms. So, negative 180n, no? Then, negative 180 times negative 2 is positive 360. And then, 180n minus 180n is 0. Cancel na to. So, ang natira is 360 degrees. So, ibig sabihin nun, the sum of all exterior angles given that one per vertex is equal to 360 degrees. This is applicable for any number of sides ng polygon. So, yung sum lahat ng measures ng exterior angles provided na tigi-isa lang yung exterior angle sa bawat vertex, this one, this one, this one, this one. So, yung sum ng angles na ito ay laging 360 degrees no matter how many sides ng polygon it has. Okay? So tandaan po natin na ang sum ng lahat ng exterior angles ng polygon provided na isa lang kada vertex is 360 degrees. Okay, so dito sa number 1, we have a triangle here and meron tayong tigi-isang exterior angle sa bawat vertex. And kagaya ng sinabi ko, yung sum ng lahat ng exterior angles ng polygon, any number of sides, is always 360 degrees. Okay, so gagawa tayo ng equation out of this. So we have 105 degrees, 130 degrees, and x degrees. At yung sum ng lahat ng exterior angles ay 360 degrees. So, 105 plus 130 plus x equals 360. And then saka natin isolve for x, no? So 105 plus 130 is 235 plus x equals 360. And para mawala si 235, so isubtract mo lang yung 235, no? Isubtract mo lang sa 235 both sides. Mawawala na to. So x is equal to 125. So this means the measure of this angle is 125 degrees. And then sa number 2 naman po, no? Kung makikita natin, lahat ng angles na given ay exterior angles, and meron itong isa sa bawat vertex. So ma-apply natin ulit yung kumbaga property na yon, no? Na yung sum ng lahat ng exterior angles ng polygon, 1 for each vertex, is 360 degrees. But this time, apat siya, okay? Kasi quadrilateral to di ba? So 3x plus 80 plus x plus 120 equals 360. So isolve natin to yung equation for x. So combine natin yung similar terms or like terms. 3x plus x is 4x, and 80 plus 120 is 200. So 4x plus 200 is 360, and then subtract 200 both sides, di ba? So 4x equals 160. 360 minus 200 is 160 divided by 4. So x is equal to 40. So 40 is the answer to this one. Okay, x is equal to 40. Yan. So that's the way to solve exterior angles. Okay. Okay, how about this one? So as you can see, this figure is a regular polygon. So lahat ng sides at saka lahat ng angles ay congruent. More specifically, isa siyang octagon that has 8 sides. Okay? So isang exterior angle po ang nabigay, no? But yung angles kasi lahat ng polygon ng octagon na ito, no? Lahat ng interior angles ay iisa ang kanilang sukat. So expected na yung lahat ng exterior angles, no, ng octagon na ito ay iisa lang din yung measurement. So the measure of other exterior angles should be x, 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 mga ganyan. Okay? Lahat yan puro x. Okay? Kasi regular siya. And as always, 360 pa din yung sum na measurements ng lahat ng exterior angles. Okay? So nagkataon kasi na iisa lang yung sukat, puro x. So bilangin natin yung x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 x. So idiretso natin as 8x equals 360. Okay, kasi yan ang total measurement ng exterior angles di ba? So divide both sides by 8. So x is equal to 45 degrees. And this is the measure of one exterior angle of a regular octagon. In general po, kung ang polygon ay regular, no, at ang sum ng exterior angles ay 360 degrees, no, to get the sum of each exterior angle, just divide 360 by the number of sides. Yung makukuhang sagot is yung measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. That is 360 all over n, kung saan yung n is the number of sides of a polygon. 360 over n. Yun naman po sa exterior angle. Okay, dito naman po sa regular polygons, no, isa-summarize natin yung measurements ng bawat angles. So unahin natin yung sum of all interior angles. So we know that yung sum ng interior angles ng triangle is 180 degrees. Sa quadrilateral naman po is 360. Sa pentagon po is 540. So each time one side is added sa polygon, nag-a-add siya ng 180 sa sum ng interior angles. So 720 plus 180 is 900, 1080, 1260, diba? And 1440. So hanggang decagon muna tayo, no, 10 sides. And para makuha natin yung sum ng bawat interior angle, 'di ba? So ilan ba ang angle sa isang polygon? 'Di ba? Kung gaano karami yung sides, ganun din karami yung angles ng polygon. So, yung triangle po ay 3 sides, so it has 3 angles. So, 180 divided by 3 is 60. Ayan yung sukat ng bawat interior angle. Next, quadrilateral, it has 4 sides, so it has 4 angles. So, i-divide natin to sa 4. 360 divided by 4 is 90 degrees. Next, pentagon po ay may 5 sides, so that's the number of angles. Okay, which has also 5. Okay, 540 divided by 5 is 108 degrees. Next, hexagon has 6 sides. So, meron ding itong 6 na angles. So, 720 divided by 6 is 120 degrees. So, itutuloy natin to hanggang sa decagon. So, ayan po lahat ng measurement ng bawat interior angle ng lahat ng polygon. Okay, regular polygons. And para naman po sa exterior angle, yung sukat ng bawat exterior angle, it is given na for any number of sides, the sum of all exterior angles, one for each vertex, is 360 degrees. So, i-divide natin sa number of sides ng polygon. So, para sa triangle, yung 360, i-divide natin sa 3, we have 120 degrees. Para sa quadrilateral po, 360 divided by 4 is 90 degrees. Para sa pentagon po, 360 divided by 5 is 72. Hexagon, 360 divided by 6 is 60. And so on and so forth. So, kung itutuloy natin, ganito ang magiging kalalabasan. So, ito yung measure ng bawat exterior angle ng regular polygon. And guess what? Yung sum ng bawat interior angle at saka yung sum ng bawat exterior angle, kapag pinag-add natin itong pares na ito, no, it always end up na ang sum ng bawat pares na ito ay 180 degrees. Because yung interior angle at saka exterior angle ay nakabuo ng linear pair. And of course, pag linear pair sila, silang dalawa ay supplementary. Okay? So, ayan po yung summary about sa angle measurements ng regular polygons. Okay, para sa example na ito, no, given the number of sides of regular polygon, find the sum of measures of interior angles. So, yung sum ng measures of interior angles, no, gamitin natin yung formula na 180 multiplied by n minus 2, where n is the number of sides. Okay, so isa-substitute mo lang yung number of sides dito sa expression na ito, and you are good to go. Okay, umpisa tayo sa number 1, which is 5 sides. So, i-substitute natin yung 5 sa expression. So, we have yung number 1 po natin is 180 multiplied by 5 minus 2. So, yung n pinalitan natin ng 5, kaya naging 5 minus 2. So, simplify natin. So, 5 minus 2 is 3 times 180, that is equal to 540. So, 540 po yung sum ng measures ng interior angles ng regular polygon na ito. 540 degrees. Okay? Next, sa number 2 naman po, which is 12. So, i-substitute natin yung 12 sa expression na ito. So, that we have 180 multiplied by 12 minus 2 naman po. Okay? So, kasi n equals 12, so pinalitan natin ng 12. Then simplify, so 180 multiplied by 12 minus 2 equals 10. And 180 times 10 is 1,800. So the answer for number 2 is 1,800. Next, number 3, 20. So once again, isubstitute natin yung 20 sa expression so that we have 180 multiplied by 20 minus 2. That is equal to 180 times 20 minus 2, 18. This is equal to 3,240. And thus, the answer. So, 3,240 degrees. Next, sa number 4 naman po, which is 36. So, Ganun ulit, ang gagawin, 36 is substitute mo dito. So, 180 multiplied by 36 minus 2. That is equal to 180 multiplied by 34. So, 180 times 34 is equal to 6,120. So, the answer is 6,120 degrees. And then finally, sa number 5 po, we have 40 sides. So, substitute natin dito. So, 180 times 40 minus 2. That is equal to 180 multiplied by 38. 6,840 degrees. Okay? So, the answer is 6,840 degrees. So, ganyan lang siya kadali. Kunin lang yung sum ng measures ng lahat ng interior angles ng regular polygon. Okay? Ang next part po natin is ito. Given the number of sides of regular polygon, find the measure of each interior angle naman. Okay, each interior angle. Kasi kanina, sum ng lahat ng interior angles. So, ang gagawin natin is, kapag nakuha natin yung sum, no, ng lahat ng interior angles, i-divide mo lang naman sa number of sides ng polygon. So, that we have 180 multiplied by n minus 2 divided by n. So, meron na agad tayo sum ng lahat ng interior angles ng polygon. So, ang gagawin na lang natin is i-divide natin sa number of sides ng polygon. Okay? So, mula sa 540 nung una, 'di ba? I-divide na lang natin sa 5. Yun ang magiging measure ng bawat interior angle. So, 540 divided by 5, that is equal to 108. So, 108 po yung measure ng bawat interior angle. Next, number 2. 12 sides. Okay, so, yung nakuha nating 1,800 kanina, i-divide na lang natin sa 12. Okay, this is equal to 150. Ayan naman po sa 12-sided polygon, yung sukat ng bawat interior angle. Next, number 3. 20 sides. So, yung nakuha natin 3,240, i-divide na lang natin sa 20, that is equal to 162. So, 162 ang sagot. Sa number 4 naman, which is 36 sides, so, i-divide na lang natin yung 6,120 sa 36. This is equal to 170. And hence, yan yung sukat ng bawat interior angle. And then finally sa number 5, we have 40 sides, no? Yung nakuha nating sukat na 6,840, i-divide na lang natin sa 40. Ayan. This is equal to 171. So the answer is 171 degrees. So sila po yung measure ng bawat interior angle ng regular polygon. Okay? And then sa last part naman po is, given the number of sides of regular polygon, find the measure of each exterior angle. So, ang gagamitin nating formula is 360 over n. Okay? So, i-divide na lang natin yung 360 sa number of sides. Okay? So, para sa number 1 po, 5 sides. So, 360 divided by 5. Kasi divided by n siya. So, divided by 5. That is equal to 72 degrees. Ayan po yung sukat ng bawat exterior angle ng regular polygon. Next, number 2, 12 sides. So, 360 divided by 12 is equal to 30 degrees. Ayan. Next, number 3, 20 sides. So, 360 divided by 20, that is equal to 18 degrees. Sa number 4 po naman, 36 sides. So, 360 divided by 36, parang 36 divided by 36 lang yan. That is equal to 1, kaya lang may 0 sa dulo. So, the answer is 10 degrees. And then finally, sa number 5 po, 40 degrees. So, 360 divided by 40, parang 36 divided by 4 lang yan. That is equal to 9 degrees. So, ayan naman po yung sukat ng bawat exterior angle ng regular polygon. Okay, and that's all for this topic about sa interior at saka exterior angles ng isang polygon. Okay, so tandaan po natin yung formulas ng kung paano natin kunin yung measure ng interior angles at saka exterior angles ng polygon. So, ito, yung sum ng interior angle measures ng polygon. So, 180 multiplied by n minus 2. Ayan po yung formula niyan. Tapos, para sa sukat ng bawat interior angle ng polygon, ang gagamitin nating formula ay 180 times n minus 2 divided by n. Ganon din dito di ba? Kaya lang naka-divide siya sa n. And para naman sa exterior angle po, you just divide 360 by n. So 360 divided by n, where n po is the number of sides ng polygon. Okay? That's all for today, and I hope na meron kayong napulot na aral mula rito. Okay? So do not forget to subscribe para sa iba pang uploads, and until then, stay safe sa ating lahat. God bless and have a great day to all.